we're gonna make tinga. Now we're gonna be cooking the chicken that we just boiled at medium heat. Now I'm gonna be pouring my oil. Pouring my onions. Mixing the onions. I'm going to be pouring the chicken that we just cut it. Any meat behind. Next is the sauce that's gonna be in the description down below. Oh, it smells really good. I'm gonna be mixing it up all. Once the chicken has changed to a boil, we're gonna reduce the heat between medium and low, and we're gonna be putting on we're gonna put the lid on. Now after 5 minutes, the chicken will be ready. Add salt to taste. These are toppings. These are optional. We got lemon and lime in this bowl. Queso fresco, avocado, hot sauce, crema, and tostadas. These are all optional. Time to assemble it. Time to taste this, but before we do, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what recipes you guys want me to make. Chicken? Time to taste test it. That's really something. Good.
Wow, this is very nice. I like it.
That little voice.
Huh?
That little voice. See you next time.